Here's how to add sound to your timelines. If you already have the file you want to use, simply locate the Uploads menu and click Upload File. Select the file you want to use, give it a name and a description, and then click Upload. To add it to your event, copy the link generated for your file in the Uploads menu, and then paste it in. But what if you don't already have a sound file to use? You can record your own. I like to use the Memos app on my phone. You can also use a free audio software like Audacity, which lets you record and edit sound files. Their detailed FAQ page will help you with any questions that you have, but here are a few basics to get you started. You can record your own sound files using your computer's built-in microphone. Or you can upload pre-existing sound files that you can edit. Edit your files to your heart's content, and then save them and pop them onto ClioVis.